Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about one of the historical figures, Prithviraj Chauhan, the Valiant. Meaning of the Valiant is brave. So the theme of our story is brave and courage. The main characters of the story: Prithviraj Chauhan, the last Rajput leader to rule India who refused to accept the supremacy of Jayachandra Gahadwala. Chand Bardai, the well-wisher and biographer of Prithviraj Chauhan, who composed Prithviraj Raso, an epic poem about the life of Prithviraj. Samyukta, the beloved wife of Prithviraj and the daughter of Jayachandra Gahadwala. Jayachandra Gahadwala, father of Samyukta, the powerful ruler of Kanauz and mostly the greatest enemy of Prithviraj Chauhan. Muhammad Ghori, the Sultan of Gharid Empire and the one who attacked Delhi 17 times and was defeated 16 times at the hands of Prithviraj. Settings of the story: the palace of Prithviraj Chauhan in India, located in twin cities of Delhi and Ajmer. Palace of Jayachandra Gahadwala in India, located in UP. Palace of Muhammad Ghori in Afghanistan. Introduction of the story. On seeing the painting of each other shown by Prithviraj's painter Pannare, Prithviraj Chauhan, the last Rajput leader to rule India, was in love with Samyukta, daughter of his enemy Jayachandra Gahadwala, the ruler of Kanauz. When Jayachandra learnt about the secret feelings of love that his daughter and rival Prithviraj shared for each other, he decided to arrange a Swayamvara. The meaning of Swayamvara is an ancient Hindu ceremony where a bride can select her husband from the assembled princes by placing a garland around the neck of anyone she chose to and become his queen. When Jayachandra organized a Swayamvara, he did not invite Prithviraj but ordered that Prithviraj's statue be kept at the gate as a doorman. On doing so, everyone who entered his palace, including the attendees of Swayamvara, would look at the statue of Prithviraj as a doorman, and that would be insulting to him. Rising action. Samyukta, however, informed Prithviraj and he came dressed as a doorman and hid behind his statue. Samyukta walked down the aisle. The meaning of the aisle is a passage between two rows of seats, walked forward to reach the door and garlanded the statue of Prithviraj as a doorman. When Samyukta garlanded Prithviraj's statue, he rushed away on his horse, taking his wife, challenging Jayachandra Gahadwala to stop him from taking. A series of battles followed where both were met with heavy losses. Climax. In the meantime, Muhammad Ghori, whose kingdom extended to that of Prithviraj, attacked many times and was finally held prisoner by Prithviraj. Although Prithviraj's minister advised him not to pardon Ghori, he released him. And the very next year, Ghori attacked Prithviraj and through cheat and deceit defeated and took Prithviraj as captive to Ghor. Falling action. When taken before Ghori, Prithviraj looked him straight in the eyes and said that Rajput would lower his eyes only in death. The angry Ghori ordered Prithviraj's eyes to be burnt with red-hot iron rods. Prithviraj was then frequently taunted by Ghori and his men. Taunted meaning is teased insultingly. However, Chand Bardai, his biographer, who was also prisoned along with Prithviraj, kept telling Prithviraj that he must take revenge for this. Resolution. One day, Gauri announced a game of archery, and Prithviraj, although blind, said he wanted to take part, saying that he would hit the target if Gauri gave the orders. Chand Bardai explained to Gauri that Prithviraj, himself a king, would take orders only from a king. This boosted Gauri's ego, and Chand Bardai threw a couplet. Meaning of the couplet is a pair of successive lines of a poem, typically rhyming. Informed the blind Prithviraj of Gauri's position, and when Gauri gave the orders to shoot, Prithviraj was able to turn in the right direction and with one arrow shoot Gauri dead. It is said that Chand Bardai then stabbed Prithviraj and killed himself to avoid any further humiliation at the hands of Gauri's soldiers. Meaning of humiliation is deep insult. And that was the end of the story of Prithviraj Chauhan.